Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by writing the letter A and then we'll create a curvy structure on the above of A and create it into a really cute looking bug who has huge wings and huge eyes. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this drawing of this kangaroo, which is a really easy one and can be easily made by kids and adults too. We'll make this body and this long tail of kangaroo and his baby too in his womb. Thank you for watching the video. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this cute cat which has cute eyes and her tongue out of her mouth, and complete it by making the scales on her body by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will first make this face and the ears of this big one, and then we will make his body of this cute looking squirrel which looks really awesome and is easy to make. We will learn how to make this after making the big shiny eyes and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this duck. We will first make this bigger duck and the steps are shown who is flowing in the river, and make the smaller duck on him.